kamusta naman kaya ang kampanya dyan sa Cebu? Meron ba kayang ipapatawag din o bibigyan ng show cause order? O meron bang mawawalan ng chance for re-election? For the latest stories there, we have One Cebu desk, Dale Israel. Dale, alright, anong balita dyan?
Yes, maayong hapon, Lord and Denise. It's just 1 month before the election, and the election campaign here is getting much interesting. But before that, tomorrow there will be a North Cebu caravan that will begin Friday morning, starting with Liloan Town, going to Cebu City in the north of Cebu, and it will be the first time for the Alyansa senators of Bongbong Marcos to join the caravan of One Cebu Party led by Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia. Now, this caravan will be a very long queue of vehicles that will make short stops in the towns of Carmen, Sogod, Catmon, Tabogon in the north. It will just be short stops, so a few minutes from the area. And take note that they will not be stopping by Danao City, which is a known bailiwick of the opposition of the Durano families. Now, the big program will be held in Cebu City, the only city in the north of Cebu. The 6 senatorial candidates who will be joining the campaign or the caravan will be boxing champ Manny Pacquiao, Francis Tolentino, Adi Binay, Tito Soto, Camille Villar, Bong Revilla, and Pia Cayetano. There are no confirmation yet, Lord, that the President or President Marcos Jr. will be joining the caravan or even in just one of their stops. In the second day, on Saturday, the group will be proceeding to the island of Bantayan, then to Santa Fe, and going back to San Remigio in the mainland, in Cebu mainland, and it will make short stops in Bourbon, then to Consolacion, that they will be holding a grand rally in the area. In total, they will be stopping by 11 LGUs in the 2-day caravan. And Lord Denise, we're here at the Cebu Capitol to wait for the press conference of Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia. She will be talking about the inspection made by Senator Rafi Tulfo, who made the rounds in the internet on the North Bus Terminal of Cebu. The senator in his video showed the violations made by bus operators and drivers in the area or in the North Bus Terminal. In the press conference later, the Land Transportation Franchising Regulatory Board also issued a show cause order against 5 operators. This was because of the violations noted by Senator Tulfo, including the non-working fire extinguishers, dilapidated bus facilities, dilapidated brakes, and non-working CCTVs and others. Garcia is expected to comment on the inspection of the senator, which will be waiting in context. The North Terminal September. The SMCT Cebu allowed the use of their parking space. So the SMCT Cebu allocated a parking space in the area which the provincial government can use as temporary bus terminal until the LGU can get a permanent lot for their facility. The other bus terminal, we'll be checking that next week. The South Bus Terminal is also owned and operated by the Cebu provincial government. This is much improved area actually compared to the North Terminal. So the North Terminal is access. For context, it is the access to tourism of favorites like Bantayan Island, San Bantayan, San Remigio, and Malapascua Island, among others. Back to you, Lord. And
alright. Naku, Dale, tatanong ko sana yung Charter Day bonus ng mga empleyado pero wala tayong oras. Maraming salamat. Pakitext lang ang ating One Cebu desk. Dale Israel. Thanks, Dale.